Alright y'all, welcome to another episode of Broseph Builds It because he just can't sit still. Today, we're installing a trailer hitch on a 2000 Toyota 4Runner because apparently I needed one more way to haul random stuff and flex on my neighbors. First up, let's unscrew the factory bolts like we know what we're doing. Spoiler, we kinda do. And here it is, fresh from the local salvage yard, still smelling like rust, regret, and budget-friendly ambition. I'd like y'all to meet my buddy. Everyone say hi to Jack. Now, here comes the gym membership payoff. Holding up this awkward metal chunk like it's a dumbbell with commitment issues. Precision? Nah. I just twist it until it stops moving. That's engineering, baby. Oh yeah. That's the sound of responsibility locking into place. Or strip threads. We'll find out later. Boom! Hitch mounted, ego inflated. Now time to immediately use it for something way too dramatic. Now, watch me not hit the fence, or my soul leaving my body as I back this trailer up like a pro. Or someone who's seen a YouTube tutorial. And here's where the magic happens. Click, she's hitched, tighter than my bank account after payday. Look at this backyard parking finesse. You'd think I drive trailers professionally. By the way, I absolutely do not. Well, another job done, another random thing moved, all in a day's work. If this gave you a laugh, a tip, or even a little motivation to get stuff done, that's a win right there. Like, comment, and subscribe, not because I need an excuse to keep filming, but because we're out here trying to inspire and make the internet a little more useful and way more entertaining. Catch you next time.